So, what's the name of the garage?
The name of the garage is
No, Delinquent Garage.
Conversation out of good in my mind. Once I get to a ride, cause of my fish out and taking a step. I did some things that's surprise.
Hey, Danny, what are you exactly doing there, sir?
alright, well, I'm basically going to, tighten the bolt down on the... What am I doing? Don't make me lose concentration, man. Alright, here we go.
I'm waiting for you to try and pronounce compensator nut.
Compensator nut. Actually, I said it right. I think I did. Alright, here we go. Fuck. Why is it not clicking?
It didn't reach 150 pounds yet.
Ooh. Man, I'm stronger than I thought.
So did it not click again?
Yeah, I don't know. Oh, God, I need to join that gym. Okay. That's it. She's done. 150 pounds of torque.
On the what?
On the compensation nut. Bolt. Nut. Screw. Whatever.
And that was an episode of the Delinquent Garage.
I'm sorry I caused you pain.